This morning we're on a pour in Canberra where SteelX Rebar is being used to replace a sheet of mesh, an additional bar in this flat plate slab. This is a slab designed with no internal ribs, and essentially it's designed as a kind of a suspended slab on ground. So it makes setup very quick without the extra layer of mesh and without the need to dig the additional trenches. And this is about the 4th or 5th house we've done now with this contractor and this slab design. It's going very well, very efficient, and they're just loving the process. So we'll take a look at how this pour goes through the day. So I want to show you a quick look at the roller tamper, and it's a device that is designed to push coarse aggregate below the surface of the concrete, and it goes on straight after you've screeded the concrete. So you screed and then you put this device here, it's over the top of the concrete, and it pushes all the coarse aggregate down, but it also helps just bring up slurry, which allows good cover of the SteelX product to the mix. So it's an ideal solution to just ensure you get a great finish on the slabs. So as soon as you've screed it, you put the roller tamper, roll it across the slab, and then you ball float in the opposite direction, basically immediately after that. Now, so the roller screed's just gone on. They thought it would be too soft to put on there, but it just rolled over the top with no problems at all. And you see it leaves this sort of track mark here, and it just brings some slurry to the surface, and it doesn't immediately push down every piece of product, but what it does is it pulls plenty of slurry to the surface, and so as soon as that ball float then goes back over the surface, you just get this nice creamy paste at the top, which is exactly what you need just to be able to work a nice finish when the trowel machines get on.